No.
Does Nono stink?
Stink, Nana?
No.
Okay. Ah. Ah. Ah.
Excuse me.
Ask Daddy where did you find those things here?
In the right store, tell him.
What store did you buy this? Korean Tire?
Korean Tire, Mom.
Tire.
Ask Daddy.
You're looking for Sio Andy?
Where's Sio Andy?
Yeah, I said, where did your Andy go? Here he is.
Yeah.
She wants to tell you she's bringing pop. I'm bringing pop, Tio Andy. That's not very good for me, but I'm drinking it.
Oh, you're drinking pop. Oh, beer or pop?
Beer.
What is it, Alana?
Hello.
Did you see when we saw Susan, then he started. As soon as he saw her.
Look at that one.
Thank you.
Turn it around so you can see it better.
Look again. Thank you.
You like it?
Oh, I bet you do.
Adrian, you like it?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
December 15th.
And is it a good date?
Day?
What day is it?
Saturday.
Hold on.
Don't know, huh?
Oh, you got chocolates?
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey,
what are you doing?
nothing.
What day is it today?
Saturday,
And what else is it?
my birthday.
Happy birthday! And is that Nono's truck over there?
Yep.
There's Alana in there, right?
Yep.
This is hard to do while you're driving.